Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you this wonderful makeup look that I created, and I will walk you through the steps how this had been done, and we will create this wonderful look together with the Alien makeup palette from Jeffree Star. I own this quite a long time. I just have not reviewed it because I didn't feel like doing it because everyone else was already doing it, and it seemed unnecessary for me doing it. So yeah, let's just play together with this wonderful palette. I will open this up for you so you can see the wonderful shades over here. It also has this wonderful big mirror. And yeah, I really love this palette. Please keep on watching if you want to see how this has been created. Okay, here we are. I will start first with priming my eyes with the Bobbi Brown Eye Cream eyeshadow. For those who don't know what this kind of thing is, it's like the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I know a lot of people like to use eye primers, but I don't, because they don't really cancel out all of the veins and discolorations, and that's why I used to use this one. And as you can see, I already did my foundation, eyebrows, contour, and so just you know, I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I use the shade Porcelain. For my eyebrows, I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. That's my favorite right now. And of course, for concealer, I have used my favorite Essence Camouflage, and a new one, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the shade Pale, which is of course very pale. I mean, if you like super lighted under eyes, this is perfect. I guess there's even a lighter shade, but I grabbed this one because this is pale enough for me, I have to admit. For contour, I also used a new one. This is the Judith Williams Pearly Bronzer, and this is for contouring, and you can also use this as a bronzer. It comes with a mirror, and it's this more of a warmer tone, I would say. It's not cool, it's more warm. It has some shimmer in it, and yeah, you can slightly see this. Yeah, you can see it here. So I would say for bronzer, this is really great. I don't bronze my face because I don't want to look pale and that kind of, but for contouring, this is nice. It's not so pigmented like my Benefit Hoola, you know, over here, but for a daily base, it's really wonderful, and I like to use it every day. Okay, then I would say let's start with the eye makeup, and here we have the wonderful Alien palette from Jeffree Star. I will open this up, and guys, this is huge. I know I did not do a review on this because everyone else was already doing it, and why should I do it too? I mean, we all know Jeffree Star is especially my king of makeup. I have to admit, I really like what he's doing, and I love watching his videos. He is a really interesting personality, I have to say, and I just love what he does. He has the best liquid lipsticks, the best highlighters, and for my personal taste, the best eyeshadows. That's all I can say. So, we start with our cute little fluffy brush, my autumn favorite, and we just go into gravity, I would say. Let me just see where we are, because I had to really go close. So this is the one over here. I just put this all over my lid. And please don't mind my horrible looking foundation today, because I forgot to use a primer. Oh my god, I cannot believe this happened to me, but yeah, I forgot to use a primer underneath my foundation. This is looking good so far. I have to admit, I don't know how I want to have my eye look today, but I really want to play with the greens inside this palette, because I really like them and they are just super interesting, like really interesting. Then let's just take another more smaller brush, and I want to go into Flying Saucer. It has this wonderful little icon, and what I also like about the palette is that you have this big ass mirror over here, which is full of my fingerprints. And I do want to blend this out with Alien. Alien is the wonderful light green shade you have here. And really keep blending it so they do come together, that it's not looking patchy. And then I want to go back into Gravity to smooth everything out. I will do the other eye, and then we are right back. And we are back. I did the other eye, as you can see. I really like it so far. I just wanna deepen the outer corners, of course, and I want to do this with Area 51. It's the purple shade in the middle right here. And for those who don't know, doing a purple shade that is pigmented, like really pigmented, it's very, very difficult. So I already used this shade, so I know this one is great. And if you're looking for a wonderful, highly pigmented purple shade, like a deep purple shade, try to get this palette. As you can see, it's really, really pigmented. And I will just put this right in the outer corners. And so, you know, I will be really, really careful and just pack this on. This is much more better than doing, like, not tapping off the brush, so it won't smudge and you can just control the right amount of eyeshadow. It looks really crazy in the monitor. But here it looks just perfect. Then I wanna go into the wonderful shade Moon Rocks right here. It's a greenish golden metallic, and of course I will wet my brush first, and then I will pack this in the middle of the lid, and for the inner corners we will try Pluto, which is this metallic shade right over here, to lighten this up. And then I will finish this look off with the lower lash line, and that's it. And then I want to go into Area 51 again, just to connect them a bit more. Then let's go into Pluto. I will use a smaller brush, just like this pencil brush over here. Yeah. I do know there are other brands who can also do this wonderful highlighting shades, but for me Jeffree Star is one of the best. Let's do the lower lash line. I really like it today, I really do. And for the lower lash line I want to go back into Area 51 because I want to connect the purple right here with some purple underneath. I want to smooth this out with a really tiny brush, and I will go into Abduction. Abduction is the green shade over here, and just create a light smoky eye. And to make it even more crazy, I will use Abduction in the inner corners right here, this part. I will add my liner, my mascara, and maybe, I don't know, something in the waterline. I will see it just off camera, and then we are done. We are absolutely done. Right now I really like it, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, we are back. Or I am back. Well, I do finished up the whole makeup look, as you can see. Yeah, I did some blush. I also did a winged eyeliner, as you can see. I don't know if you like it I'm not really good at doing eyeliners, especially winged eyeliners. I really suck at doing them, so I skip on doing them. But I thought with this makeup look I should try a winged eyeliner, so I did. And for myself, I am happy with the result. I am really happy and I am proud of myself. And even if the pros out there are like, no, your eyeliner sucks, it looks horrible, it doesn't matter because I'm still learning and I'm proud of myself that I've done a decent winged eyeliner today. For the eye look, I also put in the waterline from Sephora this crayon 12-hour eyeliner. It's in a purple shade, as you can see, and it kind of reflects like a metallic. And yeah, right now it's still in the waterline. So yeah, and for the inner corners, as you can see, I've put some glitter over here and I used the Too Faced eye glitter I have purchased a few weeks ago to really make this eye pop. And of course, for the lips, I used my favorite Sugar Pill liquid lipstick. And this is the shade Dark Sided. It's a purple shade. And I finished this up with some eyeshadow from the Alien palette. And I put 2 eyeshadows on top, and I have used Alien over here, and in the middle I have used UFO, this one right here, just so the lips look more alien-like. Yeah. For highlighter, I used a new highlighter I bought last week, and it's from 183 Days. And it's their new banana collection, and girls, this smells like banana. I admit I am not into this style. I don't like banana themed things, but I love golden and green highlights. It smells like bananas. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of bananas, and I mean, I do like them while eating ice cream or dessert, but as a fruit, just a fruit, it's not my style. But this one, it smells so good. Well, and yeah, that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, that you like this makeup look. I would love to see you doing maybe something else with the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not following me, please do so. And of course, ring the bell, slap the bell, or just push the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye.